Reddit Roundup, the top 5 most asked immigration questions on Reddit this week. 1. Is it possible to get a green card if I've used a fake SSN in the past? Using a fake social security number is a federal crime that can complicate your green card application and possibly lead to removal or inadmissibility. However, depending on your situation, you might qualify for a waiver of inadmissibility. It's a good idea to consult an experienced immigration attorney to explore your options. 2. Can I travel to the U.S. with a B1, B2 visa while my I-130 petition is pending? Yes, it's possible, but expect increased scrutiny from Customs and Border Protection officials when you arrive at the port of entry. A pending I-130 shows immigration intent, so CBP officers may question whether your visit is truly temporary. To help your case, bring evidence showing ties to your home country like a return ticket, proof of employment, or property ownership documents. B3. I'm a student on an F1 visa. If I graduate from my undergrad program in May, can I stay in the U.S. until my grad school program starts in August? Yes, you can remain in the U.S. between programs as long as you obtain a new Form I-20 from your graduate school and transfer your CVIS record to the new school. Work with your designated school official and both schools' international offices to ensure compliance with F1 regulations and protect your status. 4. Does the U.S. have open Venezuelan consulates or embassies? No, the Venezuelan embassy and consulates in the U.S. have been officially closed since 2019 due to severed diplomatic relations between the two countries. Venezuelan nationals in the U.S. needing consular services should consider seeking assistance from Venezuelan embassies or consulates in other countries. 5. What forms of identification can undocumented immigrants use to fly domestically once Real ID laws go into effect? Starting May 7, 2025, Real ID compliant identification will be required for all domestic flights. Undocumented individuals who cannot obtain Real IDs from their state of residence can use alternative forms of Real ID compliant identification, including unexpired foreign passports, employment authorization documents, tribal ID cards, and trusted traveler cards like Global Entry, Nexus, and Sentry. If you're undocumented, it's a good idea to consult an immigration attorney before traveling by plane. As the Trump administration continues its immigration crackdown, traveling through airport security could carry more risks. For a full breakdown of the answers to this week's most asked immigration questions on Reddit, head to the link in our bio. Otherwise, stay tuned for next week's Reddit Roundup. What are some of your immigration questions? Drop them in the comments.